Hello to you my gorgeous fashion lovers. You're welcome back to my channel Trendy Nails and Hairs. The channel, as you always know, that gets you covered in the latest and most trendy nails and hairs fashion. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, depending from where and when you are seeing this video. So in case you are seeing the channel for the very first time or you are yet to join my channel, please do hit the subscribe button, and as you do that, do not forget to turn on your bell notification so that whenever a new video is uploaded in this channel, you will be the first to be notified. So to you my gorgeous ladies, watching this video, you see that these nails look so good and gorgeous. These are perfect and unique short acrylic nail art designs for you to watch and choose your best light. So in case you are a fashion lover for short nail art designs, watch this video and make your best choices. And as you do, please do support my channel by hitting the like button, okay? Like this video and feel free to share it to your friends and your loved ones, and you can also save it for a later use. And in case this is not really what you want, you can go down to my channel to see other videos that I have on other nail types, and you can also watch and make your choices from there. I also say a big thank you to my returning viewers who are always watching and engaging in my videos. Trust me guys, your effort in this channel is never taken for granted. Thank you guys so much. So at the end of the video, you can go down to the comment section and tell me what you think or what you feel about my videos or my channel in general. And if there's any kind of video you'd like to see me make in this channel, please put it down in the comment section and I promise to get it done for you. Thank you guys so much, as I'll be looking forward to seeing you again in my next video. Bye for now.